Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Mikit here, and on this tutorial, I will be guiding you how to create a Picsart account on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Picsart application. After that, you will land on this interface. From there, tap on create an account, or else you can also connect your account with your Google account or else with your Facebook account. Here we will go with an option here that says create an account. Now enter your email address and then tap on next. Now you have to create a strong password that must contain 8 to 16 characters, at least one number and at least one letter. Once you're done with that, again tap on next. Now you have to pick a username. You will get a default username. If you want to continue with that, tap on complete or else enter the username that you want. And once you're done, tap on complete. And with that, you will have a Picsart account. So this is how you can create a Picsart account. I hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.